Otsukimi, meaning moon viewing, is a Japanese festival celebrated from mid-September to late October to mark the harvest and honor the beauty of the full moon. During Otsukimi, families and friends come together to enjoy tasty dishes that celebrate the moon's splendor. One iconic treat of Otsukimi is Tsukimi Dango, sweet, round rice dumplings that symbolize the moon. Many Japanese buy these tasty treats at their local market, but we're going to show you how to make Tsukimi Dango yourself.
Konnichiwa, everyone. Today we're going to make a delightful treat that's perfect for the moonlit nights, Tsukimi Dango. Let's dive right in.
Tsukimi Dango?
Yes.
Kind of sounds out of this world.
Let me explain this flour first. This is a rice flour and it's called Dango. Here, can you put this Dango in the bowl, please?
Okay.
No, not like that. Can you take it out from the package?
Oh, you want me to pour it out into the bowl?
Yes.
Pouring now.
Yes. Oh.
It looks just like flour.
Yes.
Okay, so I poured it in a bowl. So what do we do now?
So we want to pour the water slowly while I'll mix.
As you can see, I don't do this very often.
Just to mix it initially, we use the chopsticks.
What's chopstick in Japanese?
Hashi.
Hashi. So we use the hashi to mix up the ko.
Yes.
The dango ko.
Yes.
Okay. Are your hands clean?
Yes, I triple washed it.
You triple washed them. Okay.
Yes.
All right.
We have some toppings here today. This is red bean paste, sweet red bean paste, and that's mitarashi dango no tare.
The mitarashi dango tare smells like soy sauce.
Yes, so it's made with soy sauce,
Uh-huh.
sugar, and cornstarch.
So it's
And
like
water.
it's a salty, sweet flavor.
Yeah.
But how big do we make the balls?
I'm making it about an inch diameter.
They look like ping pong balls. People call it ping pong dango in Japan.
No, they don't.
So you roll them with your hand like that.
Yes,
Okay.
to make it like a nice round shape.
Well, it looks like you're all done there with the dango. So what's the next step?
We want to put these in the boiling water. No, don't eat that.
So can I play basketball and shoot them in?
I don't think you want to do that.
Okay.
Okay. And you can kind of like swirl them around. It's been a minute. So
Okay.
you want to scoop it up
Mm-hmm.
and put it in the cold water
Okay.
to cool it down.
So after they're soaking in the ice water bath, they're probably chilled. What do we do now?
So we're going to scoop them out from this cold water. Next part is going to be the fun part. We get to put the topping.
I've never done this before. Okay.
Make it look pretty.
Does that look pretty? Now I am excited. I am going to go for the mitarashi dango. Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
They're really fun to eat.
Oishii.
My taste buds are very happy right now.
We're done for today. I hope you can make this at home. It's pretty easy. I hope you guys enjoy.